Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can restore deleted chats on WhatsApp. So today I will be telling you out how you can restore the chats that has been backed up by you earlier. And if you want to know how to restore the deleted chats which has never been backed up, then you can comment down below. So let's proceed with the video. So after opening up WhatsApp, you can go on the settings, and in the settings click on the chat option, and then you will be able to find this option of chat backup. Just click on it and click on backup. So this is how you backup all your chats, and you can also set this backup on automatic mode, and whenever you accidentally delete chats or your chats might get deleted, then you can always restore it by going into your settings and then scroll down. After that, go to the apps, and here you will be able to find this option of manage apps. The way to open it up might be different in different phones, but all you have to do is just open up your WhatsApp on your application settings and then go to the storage, and here just click on clear cache memory and app data, and this way your WhatsApp will be set to factory reset mode, and then when you try to open up WhatsApp, it will give you an option to restore. Just click on it and all your data will be restored. So this is how you restore deleted chats on WhatsApp. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.